Dito kami ni Abby na grocery. Yan, day off namin ngayon. So, grocery muna kami ng konti. Yan yung nabili namin, guys. Oh. Sarap ng ano. Tasty, delicious fruits. Yan. Honey, this is what flavor, huh?
It's cherry and cherry flavor.
Cherry?
Yeah, it's good.
Cherry flavor. Yan, sarap na, guys. Fruit shake. Cherry flavor. Yan, tapos mayroon tayong dried pineapple. Yan, dried pineapple. Yan yung mga nabili natin. Tapos may vegetables tayo. Actually, ang pinuntahan namin ni Habi, hinanap namin is yung vanilla flavor lang. Kasi nagluto ako ng binignit. Kailangan natin ng vanilla flavor. So, yan ang ano natin mga pamili, mga chips ni Habi. Tapos bumili din kami ng chocolate niya. Honey, come here. Si Habi busy pa. Busy pa si Habi. What you want? What you buy? Yan. Bumili din si Habi ng olive oil niya. Yan, olive oil. Maganda yan, olive
I
oil.
want to put oil in you.
Olive oil. Where? I want this is sweet milk. Yan, coconut milk. May coconut milk dito. Bili tayo ng dalawa. Yan. Nabili natin, guys.
What?
Yan yung mga nabili natin. Coconut milk, sweet milk.
Yeah, I got the grill going. Why don't we pick up some fresh brats? Pick up some fresh brats.
Okay.
I got the grill going.
Okay.
Grill.